Om Namo Venkateshaya. Yesterday we witnessed a divine moment. Brihaspati reading the sacred almanac as devas like Shiva, Brahma, Subramanya and Indra offered their praises to Lord Venkatesha. The celestial court was alive with devotion. Today, the scene shifts to the very air around the Tirumala hills. The morning breeze stirs gently through blooming lotuses, coconut groves, and beautiful areca trees carrying heavenly fragrances. Nature itself joins in greeting the Lord. Let's soak in the serenity of the fragrant dawn. Isha prafulla sarasiruha narikela. Slightly bloomed lotuses and coconut trees, Pukadrumadisu manohara palikanam, along with lovely rows of betel and flowering trees, Avanti mandamanilassaha divya gandhaihi, are brushed by a gentle breeze filled with divine fragrance. Sheshadrishekara vibho tava suprabhatam. O Lord, who resides atop Sheshadri, good morning to you. Now we have little Vishnu with us, ready to repeat the shloka. Vishnu, will you say it after me? Isha prafulla sarasiruha narikela pugadvumadi sumanohara palikana avati mandamanila saha divyagandhai Sheshadrishekara vibho Tava suprabhatam. Now let's chant the shloka together. I'll repeat it twice. Join in if you can. Ishat prafulla sarasiruha narikela pukadrumadisu manohara palikanam avati mandamanilassaha divyagandhaihi Sheshadrishekara vibho tava suprabhatam. Ishat prafulla sarasiruha narikela pukadrumadisu manohara palikanam avati mandamanilassaha divyagandhaihi Sheshadrishekara vibho tava suprabhatam. What a gentle and fragrant way to wake up the Lord. With flowers, breeze and blessings, the earth sings to him. And tomorrow, prepare to hear the joyful chirping of parrots. Until then, may your day be filled with peace, sweetness and a touch of divinity. Om Namo Venkateshaya.